Okay, so from all the buff orpingtons that I have, I'm down to 7 females and 1 male. I had to thin the herd out. I gave away some and I put some in the fridge. This is their little coop that I built for them. The old shed that was in the backyard. And just have a few little boxes in here that they lay. They've been laying. I've been collecting like 6 eggs per day. I'll make a video of when I come to collect the eggs as soon as I see them lay some more eggs. Got like 3 trays of eggs and they just start laying like 2 weeks now. Been laying a lot. Eggs are small because this is their first batch of eggs. I know they're gonna get bigger, but this is an update on the brood box of Orpingtons from my bathroom to my backyard. Now I'm harvesting food, getting lots of eggs. We made some cakes and stuff from the eggs. And we make breakfast every morning from these eggs. This is what America needs to get back to, is self-sustained homestead kind of lifestyle to survive in this 21st century. Now everybody have a blessed day. Anywhere you at in the world, stay safe. Always remember to give love. Don't look down on people. We are all in this thing together. Black, white, every other nation.